I like to eat like a rainbow, builds my body and it makes my brain.
We just finished watching the food play and it was amazing. Our kids really enjoyed it. It was super interactive.
Water, milk, and fruit juice for us. Good to the last drop. Ooh, but fresh veggies can make your day.
Yeah.
It is an absolutely amazing performance, illustrating all the benefits of eating healthy foods and exercising. They absolutely reinforce the 5 food groups, being active, and just knowing the differences between something that was made from Mother Nature and something that's been processed.
The show was absolutely wonderful. The kids are an excellent audience. It kept their attention the entire time.
Yes. 10 teaspoons of sugar in 1 can of soda? That's gross. Ooh.
We were so excited to bring in the Toby Fit program.
Said this fresh, colorful salad, green lettuce.
My K1 and 2-3 students absolutely loved it. I'm so excited to bring you guys back next year.
And we just had the food play show and it was awesome.
Maltodextrin, citric acid, potassium citrate.
It was even better than I could have imagined. The kids were so entertained. They loved watching it and I feel like they soaked it all in because it was so entertaining, but it was so much good information, and as a nurse that makes me very happy.
Just because a person is very thin does not necessarily mean that they're eating healthfully. Ooh, and just because a person is larger doesn't necessarily mean that they're eating too much. Everybody comes in different shapes and sizes, and forcing your body to be too thin or going on some crazy quick fix diet, that could be one of the most dangerous things you could do.
Dangerous?
Today we had Toby Fit, a new program here at Pleasant Street School brought to us by Food Play. It was an amazing day for us, incorporating some humor, some magic, all connected to healthy eating.
My students and I absolutely loved the food play program.
Or I've made a little bit of popcorn sprinkled with cinnamon. Cheapos or popcorn.
It was interactive, it was fun, they were engaged from start to finish. I don't think I've ever seen my group of 4th graders, who I've been with for 2 years, be that interested.
1, 2, 3!
Toby Fit was so fantastic. Our kids were so engaged. They learned a lot about nutrition. They had fun, they were laughing, they were dancing. It was a wonderful experience, and I highly recommend it for any school that's considering it.
Your program, Food Play, just hits on every message that we're trying to get across to students.
The Food Play 5. 5.
Eat 5 fruits and vegetables every day.
4.
Remember to read it before you eat it. Chomp, chomp.
3.
Eat 3 square meals a day, starting with breakfast.
2.
Remember, I can do this, and you can too.
1.
Get plenty of physical activity every day for at least 1 hour.
And 0.
Try to cut down to 0 soda drinks and refresh yourself with water.
And that is the Food Play 5. So, we hope you all remember what you learned today
from all of us at
Food Play! Thank you very much, guys!